close. Your breath against my neck just drives me wild. You look into my eyes, asking me to stay, and I will.